Hi everyone, today we are going to learn something really cool from the world of machine learning, and we will learn about decision trees today. We will keep it super simple and fun so that even if you are a 12 years old student, you will be able to understand it very clearly. So first of all, we will understand what is decision tree. So decision tree is like a flow chart or a tree where you make decisions at each step. Imagine you are playing a game where you have to guess something by asking yes or no questions. That's how a decision tree works. For example, let's say you are trying to guess what someone is thinking about. Okay? So your tree might look like, is it a fruit? The answer will be in yes or no. If yes, is it yellow? Again, your answer will be in yes or no. If yes, it's a banana. So that's how decision tree works. So let us understand a little bit more about decision tree in machine learning. Each question is like a branch and your final guess is the leaf at the end. Now, how does this work in machine learning? So decision trees help computers make decisions by learning from data. For example, let's train a decision tree to predict whether a student will like a school subject or not. So let us find that out. So we will ask the question to the student, is the subject practical? The answer will be in yes or no. Again, in the next table, the question will be related to whether the teacher is fun. Again, the answer will be in yes or no. With these two questions, we will be able to find out whether the student likes this subject or not. So I will just attach a table here for the clarity so that you will be able to understand it properly. How does this table and questioning works to find out the perfect answer. Here the question comes, why are decision trees useful? Decision trees are super useful because they are easy to understand and explain. They help solve problems where you have to make decisions step by step. They work for lots of problems like predicting sports wins, sorting emails, or even suggesting what movie you would like to watch. Let us use a decision tree to figure out what to eat for dinner. Here is how it works. So we will ask the question, do you feel like eating something hot? The answer will be in yes or no. If the answer is yes, do you want noodles? Again, the answer will be in yes or no. If the answer is no, then we will ask, do you want a sandwich? So there is a higher chance that the answer will be in yes. So this is how we can, make decisions about anything. And here is how decision tree helps us make decisions. Decision trees are tools that help us make decisions step by step. They are like asking yes or no questions to get the answer. Whether it's guessing a fruit or picking dinner, they are super helpful. If you enjoyed learning about decision trees, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy explanations about cool topics. Bye for now and keep exploring the wonders of learning.